Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call Signup User API in our React.js application. So let's get started. As you can see, the app.js file in our Node.js application. So first of all, I'm going to add the configuration for the course. Let me create a variable with the name course origin, where we are saving the value of the course origin that we are loading from the .env file. As you can see, the variable name that we have course origin, that is a static. After that, I'm going to create an object of the course origin. As you can see, the object that we have course option, where we have a origin. After the origin, we have a option success status that is a 200. After creating the object, I'm going to initialize the course in our Node.js application. So first, let me import the course. After importing that, let me initialize the course. So it will be app.use. Inside the argument of this, let me pass here the course. And inside the argument of the course, let me pass here the object that we have course options. Let's navigate to the React.js application. As you can see, the auth.js service. So on the top, I'm going to import Axios instance from the environment package. Let me add here the path that we have environment/Axios instance. Now after that, I'm going to create an async function with the name signup. So it will be export const name of the function that we have signup. It will be async. Inside the argument, it will get signup.to. Inside this method, I'm going to add here try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of API failing. So let me catch here the error. And here I'm going to throw the error. With this, I'm going to add here console.error to print the error message in console. And we have to print here the error. Inside the try block, I'm going to call here the instance and the mapping that we have post. Inside this, let me define here the URL of our endpoint that we have /API/auth/signup. After the URL, we have to pass here the signup.to object. So it will be a await. And here I'm going to create a variable with the name response. And we have to return the response. After that, I'm going to install Notice Tag package in our React.js application that we'll use to show the toast. Let's go back to the browser. Let me search here npm install notice tag. Let me copy this command and I'm going to run this command in our React.js application. As you can see, notice tag installed and added in our React.js application successfully. Let's go to the signup component. As you can see, the method that we have handle submit. After updating the set loading state, I'm going to add here try, catch, and the finally block. Inside the finally block, we have to update the set loading state to false. Inside the catch block, I'm going to catch here the error. Inside this, I'm going to add here if condition, where we have to check if the error.response and error.response.status that we have 406. Then we have to show here the toast that we have email already exists. As you can see, the object name. Let me import the use snack bar from the notice tag. Now after that, inside the if condition, I'm going to call here the object name that we have in queue snack bar, where I'm going to add here the toast caption that we have email already exists. After that, I'm going to add here the variant that we have error and the property that we have auto hide duration that we have 5000 milliseconds. After the if, I'm going to add here else, where we have to show the toast with the caption sign up failed. Now inside the try block, I'm going to call the method from the auth service that we have sign up. Inside the argument of this, I'm going to pass here form data use state, where we have a email, first name, last name, and the password, as you can see. Let me add here await. And here I'm going to create a variable with the name response. After getting the response, I'm going to add here if condition, where we have to check if the response.status that we have 201. Then we have to navigate the user to the login page. Let me add here the path inside the navigate hook that we have /login. After that, we have to show here in key snack bar. Let me add here the caption that we have sign up successful and the variant that we have success. Let me check the console what errors we are getting. Use snack bar is not defined. Let me import this. Now as you can see, error removed. Let me open here index.js. and I'm going to wrap the app tag with the snack bar provider. Let me import this from the notice tag and move the app tag inside the snack provider. Now after that, I'm going to add the backdrop tag inside the signup component that will use to show the loader in our screen when the set loading has true. So I'm going to add the backdrop tag after the theme provider. As you can see the tag, let me import the backdrop. After that, I'm going to import here server progress. As you can see the property that we have open where we are checking here the loading value. If the loading has true, then we have to open this backdrop. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see the sign up page, I'm going to fill the form with the first name John, last name Joe, email let me add here john@test.com and the password that we have John. Now let's click on the sign up button. As you can see the toast we got sign up successful and it's navigating us to the sign in page. As you can see the network tab where we have a request with the status code 201 created, and inside the response we are getting here the message that is a sign up successful. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.